Hey y'all, it's Pam with 44 Marketplace and Creative Finishes by Pam. And today we are going to work on custom coasters. All right, so thanks for everybody who watched last week. And I wanted to show you an update of what we are going to be doing today. And this is one of the ones we created last week. And it is kind of a washed out look. This one is done with a Prima transfer. And this one is done with some paint and a Prima transfer to make it look old. So those are the Lazy Susans we created last week. And this week what we're going to do is we're going to create custom tile coasters. So you can use a couple of different things. You can use travertine tile and you can use porcelain tile. Keep in mind, travertine tile, unless you seal it, will soak up the water, whereas porcelain tile will not. And also, after you have finished your coaster, you'll want to put cork on the back of it just to keep it from scratching up anything that you sit it on. So, first of all, what we're going to talk about is our travertine. Travertine makes great coasters because it does soak up the water. And what you have to remember is you can use a stamp pad with some stamp ink, stamp it right on your 4x4 coaster, and put these on a baking sheet and put them in your oven and bake them at 250 degrees for 30 minutes. Allow them to cool completely. Now that's only with unsealed travertine, okay? You use a standard stamp pad, use your favorite stamp or whatever, and do that, and it does not require sealing. That's just for travertine. If you're using porcelain tile, you have a lot more options, but it will not soak up the water. What I like to use is Dixie Belle has a product called Slick Stick, and you just paint it right on with your paintbrush. I've already done this one right here, and it makes it so that whatever you put on here is going to stick to it. Now, that being said, I also like to use these stick and style stencils, and you can see I've used it for a previous demo. This is what it looks like. It fits perfectly on these tile. And basically what you do is you center your little decoration, put it right down on there, and you can use it for multiple tiles. And it is very easy. Just take your chip brush, go over your stick and style stencil. Doesn't take but just a minute. All right. Now, all you have to do is pull your stick and style stencil up. And just like that, you have a custom tile that you just decorated. These do not need to be baked. What you're going to do is you're going to take Dixie Belle's Gator Hide, which is the water repellent top coat. You're just going to apply this right over it, and you are all set to go. So all I do on mine is I take one coat of Dixie Belle's Slick Stick, and once it dries, I take my coat of paint and my stencil, or you can take one of the Prima transfers and use part of it. You can decoupage. You can use Dixie Belle's Satin Clear Coat to decoupage your favorite picture. You can use napkins. You can use fabric. You can use just about anything. But the 4x4 coasters make perfect gift sizes. And just add a little bit of cork to the back of it, and you're all set. A set of 4 of them, it'll end up costing you maybe $3 by the time you add your decoration and your paint and everything like that. Tie them up with a little bow, and they make a perfect gift. So that is my quickie tip for the day. I hope you're having a great Sunday, and I will see you next Sunday at 4:30. See you later.